Exterior of the 2016 2SS Camaro. The color is hyper blue. Have the daytime running lamps on. With the black wheels. Optional sunroof. And in the back of the vehicle, you have the black Chevy bow tie as well. There's the spoiler for the 2SS. Thank you.
Take one of you.
I love the DRLs. Those gills look amazing in person, even in pictures, I guess. But this is race red. I got the performance pack. Comes with 19-inch wheels. It's a stagger set, 245 up front, 275 in the back. I got tans, I think like 35% all around. This car looks beyond beautiful in person. The cameras can't do justice. Look at the side haunches, the muscle. I like the tri-bar LED taillights. Let me try to see. There you go. They're really, really bright. From the side. Yeah, the lines of the car, everything is beautiful. This is the best Mustang ever. The best looking Mustang, the best performing Mustang in GT class at least. Very refined. So I've had this about